Hi guys, welcome to ITPK. Today I will guide you how to upload a video on Google Drive and how to share the link for that video or how we can share that video from someone else. First, let's go ahead and log into Google Drive. Drive.google.com. Let's log into Google Drive. So in the Google Drive, let's go ahead and create a new folder here first. I have named the new folder video share, and in this folder I will upload the video. Okay, now I am in the video share folder, and here I want to upload the video from my computer desktop that I gonna share with someone. It's uploading. Okay, so my required video got uploaded to Google Drive. Let's close this. If you want to share only one video, you can go on three dots and go to share, and here we have option of share and copy link. Let's go to share. Now here we have the option to share this video with a link. I'm gonna share this video with a link to any viewer, right? That can only view the video. We have other option commenter and editor, but I'm only sharing it for view. Let's copy this link and let's go in incognito. Let's paste this link here. And you can see now this video is shared publicly with the link and anyone could view this video. That's perfect. One more thing, let's say if you want to share the folders, this video share folder, you can go to that folder here and you can then go to share, then again select the sharing option. Let's say we want to share this folder to a specific user. So I'm sharing this folder to my another email. Let's try that. Okay, let's send this folder to my other Gmail, and I will log in there in the incognito. In email, I should get the email from my Gmail that have shared this folder with my this email. So let's log in, and here we got the folder that is shared from my other Gmail to this Gmail. That's perfect. Let's open this folder first. In this folder we have only this video, so I have tried to explain you how to share a video with a link, how to share a folder, how to share a folder to specific user or an email, or the first option we have seen that we could share a video with a link publicly to anyone. So that's it about today's simple and to the point tutorial. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. Thanks for watching and don't forget to subscribe. Bye.